Which are the good books on real estate marketing? Lane Kawoka PE says, Business books. 1. 4-Hour Workweek. 2. E-Myth. 3. Think and Grow Rich. Read this again and again. All the gurus such as Tony Robbins and Jim Rohn regurgitate ideas in this book. It's important to note that reading anymore is just overkill. Don't be that shelf help guy or use the crux. Oh, I need to read and get more educated. You need to step up and take action. How many freaking books are you going to read? Many Fortune 500 human resources departments use the theory of 70 to 20-10 in developing employees, which apply here. 70% is learned by doing, 20% learned from peers, and 10% is academic, book, classroom training. Kevin Bratch says, Best general real estate investing book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad. Best for rental property beginners, the book on rental property investing. Best for right investors, The Intelligent Right Investor. Best for commercial real estate, Mastering the Art of Commercial Real Estate. Best for wealth-minded investors, The Millionaire Real Estate Investor. Best for explaining real estate taxes, the book on tax strategies. Sonal Sai says, 1. The Millionaire Real Estate Agent. 2. The book on rental property. 3. Rich Dad, Poor Dad. 4. Real Estate Investing for Dummies. 5. The 4-Hour Workweek. 6. Landlording on Autopilot. 7. 2 Years to $1 Million in Real Estate. Thanks for watching our video on Which are the good books on real estate marketing.